new electronic door lock from eSSL. I would say it's one of the nicest product. Very beautiful and very sturdy as well. So this is how you open. You only have to lock it. You don't need to do anything. It's a keyless entry, and this is already locked. But to lock it to the next level, that means secure it doubly. Just turn it clockwise, and you see the door is locked. Now this is thumb impression. It opens it. Lock it. The door is locked from inside. No one will be able to open it from outside. And this is how you open it. Close it, and you have this child lock. Doesn't open. This is the double security. So this is how it works. Quite sleek. Has got touch controls here. It's got a calling bell, and you can have the password as your PIN using the numeric keys. It's quite a nice product. Very strong, sturdy, beautiful, and very in terms of the price, it's very reasonable. It's a very good buy. Best product you should buy. I would recommend.